Hi guys, it's another day and I'm off today from work, and we are in Italy. I took my brother and his family to Italy today. We are in a city called Ventimiglia. My sister-in-law is here, husband and brother is here. Some are sitting on this bench. My nephew is here running. My niece is coming down the slide in a minute, and Tyler and Sarah is somewhere around here. So it is their last full day with us here in France. Well, yes, kind of sort of, though we're in Italy right now, so they're making the best of today and the rest of the time that they have left, because they go back home tomorrow afternoon on a flight back to New York. So I haven't been able to vlog much for you guys while they're here because I have been working, but I try to freeze as much of the memories as I can. But it's been an amazing time having them with me and showing them around France and Italy and Monaco, and it was just an amazing time. Anyway, hopefully you guys are doing well and is enjoying every single content that I still try to post when I can. Go for Kitty, Sarah. So yeah, I love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to Fam Bam, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of our day here in Italy. She's going after the birds. Sorry, here. Ali, come. Sarah, you're gonna get hurt. Don't do that. Say hello to Faves. Sarah, look. Say wagwan. My niece is here. You want to swing, Sarah? Give her. Wait, Sarah, back up. My niece love the swing. All done? Sit. Good job. Swing. They're pumpkin. Hi, Connor. Nephew, niece, Sarah is in the pumpkin. Tyler is too cool for school, so Tyler is going to the trampoline. Hi, Sarah. We want a picture of her in the pumpkin. Look, give him one each. Yeah, give it, Sarah, give him. Okay. My daughter in a pumpkin like a real Cinderella. Sarah! My nephew. Hi, Connor! Nisi! The kids are having so much fun. Sarah looking for the thing.
Dai, che arriva la codina, bellissimi. Via.
Sarah, you're trying to catch it?
Dai, fagiolina. Oh, signorina. Insomma, guardate che scappa, questa codina. Guarda, bellissima.
Ah, Sarah, have it. Ah, good job, Sarah. Bravo, Sarah. Babe, Sarah, catch it. Bravo, Sarah. Okay, carousel is done. Now they're at trampoline and I'm tired. Jump, princess, jump. Good girl. Tyler and Sarah over here jumping. Can I catch the thing? Got the extra running.
When we catch this thing, we have extra.
Yes.
So Sarah
Is
Mama.
yes?
You
want to get out? Okay. Honey, you want to go where? Where, over there?
Hold on. Ollie.
Wait, taking a photo.
Yes, you ready?
Yeah, but Olivia is in it. No, me not make you go fast now. This you turn over. No, sir, not on my watch, not on anybody's either. And how you expect to go alone? Didn't you come and see her in it? Exactly. So that means what? Exactly. Wait. Daughter, we're ready to go to restaurant, okay? You hungry? Mama hungry, mama ready to go eat, okay?
Slide.
No, no more slide. Finish for today. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
The parmesan.
Give me my phone, please.
Yeah, cheese.
Parmesan with curry? Oh.
No, I have some. Okay.
Where you going? Give me my phone, babe, please. You guys, we had the best time in Ventimiglia, and the best part about it, you guys missed it, didn't see it because I had no one to film. We had to cross a river. We took a route that we weren't supposed to take. We risked it, and we had to go down into some water to reach on the side that we wanted to go. And it was the most funniest thing. I had to change my outfit, just the bottom. I was in brown pants, now I am in blue because my pants is completely soaking wet. How much I go down into the water. My brother G is wearing jeans and his pants, half of his pants foot is wet. It's a good thing I had this in my bag, so I just pull it out and change my pants right there on the beach. Anyway, lunch was good. I had too much to drink. Now I'm heading on the train. We are going back home, but it was a good day. So goodbye Italy, goodbye Ventimiglia. We're heading back to Nice. Stand right here. Stand. Yes, sit. Yes. My brother is leaving. They're checking in. Look at them. Checking in. Last day. He said no, bye-bye. He said no, bye-bye. Go give Kana a hug.
Maybe
more. I'm going to miss you. My nephew said no, bye-bye.
Sarah, this way.
Careful.
We have to say bye-bye. You're going back home.
Here for ice cream.
You're going back home?
Here, tell her.
I'm gonna miss you. You're gonna miss Auntie.
And for ice cream, okay?
Oh, Jesus Christ. To the Messi. Messi Tata. Watch Tyler examine the money.
I don't get ice cream.
I don't get the ice cream. We don't get ice cream. What a madness. Watch Tyler. Watch Tyler.
Ice cream.
Oh, he's.
Wait, okay. I'm going to change it for you, okay?
Baby. Oh, sorry.
Alright, we'll have to come out of the way. Let's go right here.
My brother is going. Bye-bye, Sarah.
Bye-bye, baby. Auntie gonna miss you, okay? Don't cry, baby.
Sarah gonna cry.
Remember?
I'm going to call you, okay?
Hey, Mama, keep your money for you.
I miss you. But I'll see you soon.
Bye-bye, baby.
Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day. And I just left work. And where am I heading? I'm going on a little adventure all by myself. So the kids couldn't come with me today. The husband couldn't come with me today. It's Saturday. It's the weekend. And I'm going to meet one of our subscribers. You guys know that wherever the Jamaicans are, and if they're where I am, they're gonna find me, and I'm gonna make time to make sure I meet them up. So I'm going to meet one of our subscribers that's been watching us for a while, Andrea. She travels to France before and she's back here, and I am going to meet her up. She's in Nice for a few days. I didn't get to see her in the week because my brother was here and I was super busy. She have one more day to go, and I'm meeting her today before she leaves tomorrow. So I'll be going alone. The kids couldn't come, Babe couldn't come because Tyler had to go to a birthday party, and Babe have to take him and take care of Sarah with him because I work this morning, leave work at 11, and I have to head back to work at 5. So normally I would head to the gym during this time and go home and get some rest, but because I'm going to meet Drea, I am going to do that during my break. Hopefully I'll still get to go home to get a little rest in because I'm super tired. All the ups and downs while my brother was here and all the morning shifts has really hit me different this morning when I was at work. So let's see if I can go find Drea right now. I'm excited. I've been talking to her for a while and I'm looking forward to meet her. So it's a Jamaican link up, yes it. Anyway, you guys, I love you guys. Thanks for still hanging around even though we don't post so often as we used to, but I post when I can. I still have some vlogs for you guys to get, but by the time you guys see this you will already get those. So here I am heading to our meetup point, so I'll catch you guys I think when I get to see Drea. So see you guys later. Going through Nice during high season, this is kind of what it looks like. Lots and lots of people. I'm heading back to work by 5. I'm meeting Drea at Sephora, so let's see if I can find her. Let's see if I can find her. I think I see her. Let's see if I can find her. I think I see her. Yes, I see her. She don't see me, but I see her. She don't see me, but I see her. Look at oh my God. How are you?
My man came back. I'm sorry. Wait, oh, he just left. Oh no!
Look at you with your pretty self. Yeah, I'm at lunch with the girls. Lunchtime. So you have Drea and Lovely, the Jamaican queens. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Invades me.
I know, right? Let's take over. Love it. Yay! Yes, you get it. You get it. You get it. We are in Old Town buying soca with the girls, and in case you don't know what soca is, that's it in front of us, and it's made from chickpeas.
Oh, bon appetit. Bonjour, oh wow.
You see, one serving is a lot. You don't need
one serving. That's 2 servings.
No, she buy one serving and she buy one.
One is one serving. That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah. Maybe it's so nice. Maybe it's not. People start eating it and they be like, I want some more.
Exactly. You see 4 person buy and it finished.
I know. You must have a huge oven back there that he's working from.
Bonjour. Yes. Oops.
We're getting so good.
So good.
So good.
Merci. Au revoir. So good. Beep beep. Come. Soca time. Come, I have to see you all eating it first. Come, let me hold it so you guys can eat. Come. Dig in, girls. And it's hot.
Oh yeah.
It's hot. It is very hot.
Yes. Oh yeah, this is
Tell me. Tell me if it's not nice. Tell me what it tastes like. What it reminds you of. Look at your faces. I love it. Look at them. They can't tell me what it's like. Look at them. Look at them. You don't know? It's good, right?
I don't know what. Like a pancake, but not sweet. But like a crepe, but not really. And the only reason why I agree with her is that because of the consistency and what it looks like, but it don't taste like none of those things. I can't tell what the taste is.
I can't tell you
Yeah,
either.
I can't tell what the taste
Like
is.
olive
But
oil.
it's good.
Yes, it's olive oil they use. It's not any other oil. Definitely olive oil for sure. But when you eat it, you just want more. And it's hot. That what makes a difference. When it's cold, it tastes completely different from when it's hot.
But it also tastes fattening. So
It
that's
is
why I-
fattening.
I
It is
I
fattening.
can't equate it to anything
Come on,
that
just
I've
want
had
one
before.
piece.
Yeah. I can't.
Like, no, it's from me to you.
Maybe I can like the cross part, the end, even nicer. Maybe like the little burn part.
Funny enough,
Okay, so
it's the first I'm tasting it with the pepper and it actually tastes good. Give it a little different kind of vibe.
zing.
With the pepper.
This,
Zingy,
I can actually put some ackee and saltfish in it and make a little wrap.
Yeah, like
That
that
would
would
be-
be something else. You know what I mean? Like to eat sauce or something.
It's fattening though.
Yeah.
Or like maybe like you said.
And you see the amount come in one package. €3. That could I do for about 8 people.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this is a lot of.
That's a lot.
A lot of fat.
A lot of fat and probably a lot of butter.
It is a lot of butter.
But
A lot of olive oil for sure though.
it's butter, but it's healthy European butter.
Oh, not healthy.
Not healthy but you want some butter.
There's some good butter, I'm sorry.
Yeah, good tasting butter.
European butter.
Can't eat too much of it too.
European butter is the best butter.
Come on, enjoy. I live here. Y'all enjoy it. She's like, but she's still eating. Look at her. Eat it.
I'm gonna get-
Back like we never left. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What is today?
First day off.
School. You ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mom.
Why are you scratching your hair?
Because it's scratching.
Ready for your first day? Excited? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Say hello to Faith.
Hello.
Look how grown my boy has gotten you all. No wagwan?
No.
No.
We're not in Jamaica today. We're in France.
You're not in Jamaica today, you're in France.
Oh, yes. Bonjour, Jose.
You're too funny. Goodbye. You're gonna have a good day. Turn around, I'm speaking to you. You're gonna have a
Good day.
you're gonna be stop, I'm talking to you. Stop picking your eye. And be
Great.
and be
Be at the front.
yes and no
Talking.
in.
Class.
Very good. You look ready. Stand up, let me see you.
I am ready.
You're ready?
Version number 1.
You're
Number
funny.
2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 1.
Alright, let me come back and take photos for you.
Number 3.
Because you're acting like a penguin. Look! Say hello!
Hello.
Say wagwan!
Welcome.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
You ready? No, don't do that. You ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
You're gonna be
Nice.
and be
Patient.
and be
Naughty.
no naughty. No naughty, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna share. Very good. And you're gonna listen to. Very good. This is you're gonna be naughty. Very good. All right, let's go. Tell Faze bye.
Bye.
Hi Faze, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm rushing out. I'm not staying with you guys. To be honest, when you guys saw Tyler this morning, it was 8 in the morning, and now it's Sarah's turn. At 1:20 she have to reach there, so we are heading out. Right now it's just me and her because Papa is at work today. I took the day off in order for me to bring her to school, but Tyler had to go in early this morning, so we saw Tyler off, and now it's Sarah's turn. So it's that time again where it's back to school and back to basics, and holidays done, and we are trying to get back in some kind of routine. So stick and stay, and let's see how this day goes. So we're out. See you guys later. Tell us bye.
Bye.
Let's go. Big girl things. You ready? Ready to go have fun this year? All right, big girl. I see you, girl.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live